So the fastest way to make $10,000 online is not going to be trading. It's not going to be TikTok Shop affiliate. It's not going to be agency, copywriting. All these business models will not get you to 10K a month quickly. I will always say this, it's find a product that solves a problem, build a Shopify store around it, and launch some Facebook ads. If you really want to get specific with it, find a product that's doing well on TikTok Shop, rip all the TikTok Shop content and launch that as your Facebook ad. That's the fastest way you can get to 10K a month. Now the beautiful thing about that is if you can get a dropshipping store, a branded dropshipping store to 10K a month, profit obviously, it's really easy from that point to take it to 100K a month profit. It's a matter of just spending more on your ads, just a couple buttons you have to press. That's why I love the business model.
Hey, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started dropshipping in the next 20 seconds. Let's get it. You want to listen to me. I've been dropshipping for 9 years, and just last month, I made over $500,000. The first thing you want to do is find a product that is in demand. I do women's clothing and jewelry because it's a commodity and it sells itself. It's easy. Then head over to AliExpress.com and search for the product that you found on TikTok. You can do this by simply searching the silhouette or the style of the product. Next, you want to use AutoDS to import that product from AliExpress over to your store. AutoDS is also going to be your private supplier and will be able to ship the products that you find on AliExpress to your customers in 5 to 12 business days. Now that you have the product on your store, use the Sense theme to make it look good. Then go back to TikTok and then download the videos of your product because you're going to use those as ads. And lastly, my favorite step, you're going to use TikTok ads to promote your product because they're literally giving you $2,400 for free to run ads on their platform.
I got you, bro. So just do this. First, just pull out your phone and go on TikTok. Once you do this, go ahead and search up TikTok made me buy it and go to videos. Once you go to videos, click the 3 dots in the top right, then go to filters. And make sure you guys save this video because I know I talk fast, but I'm going to be covering all the details you need to know, so you're not going to want to miss out on any of this. Once you pull up filters, go ahead and go to like count last 3 months and then click apply. The filters are going to allow us to see only the most relevant products that are actually going viral right now, which is what we want to see. Now we can just scroll through here until we find something that's going viral and eye-catching, just like this product or this product right here, which has really good engagement. Now after you find a product, do this. You're just going to want to go to Shopify to start your store, and then go ahead and use Zendrop for your supplier. Once you're inside Zendrop, if you go to find products, you'll notice they have a huge collection of products, and you also can import any product you find elsewhere through Zendrop.